Viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This video is especially for the people who are looking for the best indicator, and this video will make you profit all the time. Okay, just watch the video. Here you can see and the winning percentage in the gold is 61%, and you can see the results in the 1 minute time frame. Let me show you. In the 1 minute time frame in the gold, you will see the accuracy. Just wait few seconds. Okay, here you can see the second accuracy is around 64.29%, while if we go to the BTC, then here you can see the magic. In the BTC, let me show you, the accuracy is around 80%. Okay, and if you go to the 5 minute time frame, the accuracy will be around 72%. So I will give you the all details. Just watch the video carefully and do not miss any point. Okay, here you can see when you got the buy signal, and you do not need to go for the buy position. You have need to open your buy position from the resistance point. This is the resistance, and you have need to go to buy position from this point. Okay, and you can book your profit simple. Okay, this is your first profit, this is your second take profit. Okay, here you can see the sell position. Okay, and you can book your profit here. This is the buy position. Okay, it's not giving you the profit. Okay, but here you can see this sell position giving you some awesome profit, the first take profit and the second take profit. Okay, and you can go to the sell position from this point again, because you are getting sell signals, so you need to go for the sell position from this point, from this point, and from this point. Okay, you are getting consistent profit. Okay, and I have need to add one more indicator, and you will get the accuracy around 90 to 95%. Okay, first go to the point script, and here you will see the indicator. You have need to add this indicator. Control A, Control C, copy the code, go to the pine editor. Here you will see, and here you have need to add the code. So first need to add the code. Wait few seconds. Just I will make this video a very quick and short video. I will not make a long video. Okay, just click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, you have need to change some settings. Okay, and I have need to show you something more interesting. Just watch the complete video. Okay, do not miss any point. Only this indicator and giving you the accuracy of 72%. Okay, only this single indicator, but if you add this one more indicator, you will get the accuracy of around 90 to 95%. Okay, and go to the setting, click on setting, and here you have to uncheck this one, and 3 influence signal, we do not need this thing. RSI, yes, we need, and swing mode, that's it. Click OK. Okay, after clicking, it's still compiling. Just wait few seconds more. Okay. Okay, come on, do it fast. This is the net profit. Total closed trades 169. Okay, out of 169 trades, you are getting 72%. Actually, it's a very awesome profit. Now here you can see this is actually RSI ribbon. Okay, RSI. There are 3 band lines. Okay, and you have need to keep your eyes on either you are getting the buy signal. Make sure after getting the buy signal, you have need to go to buy position when the candle is very close to the lower band line. Okay, like this one, do not need to go for the buy position, do not need to go for the sell position. Where you have need to go, here you can see it's very close to the upper band line, so you have need to go for to the buy sell position, and it will give you the profit like this one. Okay, here you can see this is the buy signal, and it will be accurate, and you can see accuracy. Here you can see the sell signal. Okay, and this is the sell signal, and just like I told you, you had me to go through the sell position, put your stop loss on the previous low high point, and you had me to book your profit like this one. Okay, and okay, I slowly down it so you can see clearly, and this indicator is working on all pairs. Okay, now it's short and you will see clearly. Okay, here you can see this is the perfectly sell position, and you got amazing profit. Okay, and just wait. Okay, you can go for the buy position, but I will recommend you have need to go to sell position and buy position when you are getting the signal is very close to the upper band line or lower band line. Okay, like this one you can go, but if you got the signal like here, then you can go, but it's far away from the upper band line, then you have to ignore it. Okay. Okay, I think there is some internet issue, but you can see the accuracy is awesome in all pair in the bank nifty, nifty 50, all pair. Here you can see the buy signal. You have to go for the buy position, book your profit. Again buy position, book your profit. Okay, and you can go for another buy position. Okay, all the time you are getting consistent profit. Okay, I have need to show you the results in one to two pairs, and then I have need to end this video because I already give you the details of this indicator in the previous video. So hopefully you will watch this previous video and you will get if you did not get any point, you can uh, watch the video. Okay, you can see, and in the SPX, okay, you can see, let me show you the accuracy is around 55.92%. Okay, I in the video, okay, one thing very interesting I have to show you. Here you can see the buy signal profitable. This is the sell position. You don't need to go for the sell position. No, why? Because I told you, when the candle is upside from the band line, then you can go for the sell position. Okay, let me show you this one, a very perfectly sell position, like it is very close to the upper band line. So this is your perfectly sell position. You can see you are getting awesome profit. Now this is buy position. You have to go for the buy position. No, we do not need to go for the buy position. Okay, here you got the sell position. We need to go for the sell position. Yes, we have need to go because it's upside from the upper band line. So you have need to go for the sell position. This is buy position. We do not need to go, although it's profitable, but we have need to follow the rules, and we do not need to go for this buy position because it is very upside from the lower band line. So we do not need, if we got the signal like here, then we will go for the buy position. Okay, hopefully you will understand the whole strategy. Any further query you can ask me, and how you can get the script I will show you at the end of the video. First I have need to show you interesting thing here. You have need to select 4R. Okay, and then you have need to watch the accuracy. Okay, is around still 55%, but I have need to show you one more thing. If you go to the from 4 hour to 1 day and click OK, you will get around 56%. But there is very interesting thing, very interesting thing here. If you go to the sell position, like me show you where we got the signal, wait, it will give you the more, and it will give you the direction. Okay, I have need to show you the direction where we got the signal. Let's find out where we got the signal. So I have need to check this, and we have need to watch where we got the, here you can see this is the buy signal, and after getting the buy signal, you have need to you can see the market is going upside. You can see market is still going upside. Okay, you can see market is still going upside. Whenever the market is touching to the resistance, market go upside. Here you can see this one, here you can see, and here you can see. Okay, this is very interesting thing. Here you can see, here from this point, each and every time market, when the market is touching to the resistance, market is going upside. Okay, so hopefully you will like my videos, must subscribe my channel, must, and any further query you can ask me. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, this is my Telegram at simpleyoga@gmail.com. And be aware, there are some fake Telegram channels. Do not join fake Telegram channel. I am warning you again, do not join fake Telegram channel, otherwise you will lose your money. Like today, two people text me that I that they after paying to the scammer, they are contacting me that is that is your channel. It's not a logical question, and because in the video, in each video I mention again and again that do not join fake telegram channels. I do not have any officially WhatsApp groups or any telegram channel, just personal contact me. Okay, this is simple hoga, right? One at the end must. Okay, and because they are using my details, and so you have need to be aware. Okay, and otherwise you will lose me. Okay, this is gmail, a simple hoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my gmail. Hopefully you will like my video, must subscribe my channel, and that's it. I think I gave you the whole details, and must like my video. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.